Carburetor removal. I've removed a couple of nuts, a couple of washers, and now the carburetor. There we go. The carburetor is now off. I think there's still gasoline in it. And there is the gasket. There you have it. Alright. I think this needs to be shaved flat. I need to get the gas out of here. But there we go. Alright. Carburetor's now off the vehicle. And you'll notice in this carburetor, let's take a look here. It's a 3031 picked Solex carburetor. And I think that the guy, the mechanic, said that there's parts that need to be glued in. Whoop. Parts that need to be glued in here. And I don't see the glued in parts on this one. He said that if you don't glue them in, they start to leak or pop out. And I don't see them on this. I'll have to look at my other carburetors that he did glue, and we'll see what the story is on those. Maybe it's a different type of carb. Who knows? Alright.